Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we are taking a look at my UNAS Pro, which I just installed yesterday, and I'm actually going to be installing the rest of the drives in it today. I picked up 3 drives when I got it. That's all I could get locally, so I did have to order 3 more. I'm using 4 terabyte Western Digital Red drives, and I'm either going to be running in RAID 6 or RAID 10. I haven't decided yet. RAID 6 will give me 16 terabytes of storage with 2 disk failure protection. RAID 10 will give me about 12 terabytes of storage with 3 disk failure protection. So right now I'm on the fence about whether or not I want more protection, less storage, or less protection, more storage. I still think two-disk fault protection is plenty enough. RAID 10 also does give you a little bit better performance because of the striping and the mirroring over RAID 6. So I don't know. I'm going to have to see what I want to do, but I haven't decided yet. But I'm going to take these off, and we're going to pop in the other 3 Western Digital Red drives and let it do its thing, and then we'll be all operational here. All right, there we go. Everything is in. All the lights are on. It detected all the drives. I just need to go set them up and put them in the pool and choose what RAID type I want. So I'll have to go figure that out and see what I want to do. I do plan on maybe adding a hot spare down here with the 7th slot. I can get another 4 terabyte and have a hot spare, so if one fails, it automatically switches over. But again, just backups and stuff like that, and some network file transfer storage space. So I'm not too worried about drive failure. There's nothing like critical on here or anything like that. So that is the current setup with the UNAS Pro.